Hey guys, it's Dawn here. So welcome to the mini funnel training. We're going to go through each of the funnels. I'm going to give you some variations, going to give you some ways in which they're going to work in your business. We're going to start with funnel 1. But just remember, guys, it doesn't matter what business you're in right now. I help mainly creatives, those that have perhaps had an offline business and are now transitioning online. But I also help coaches and VAs, social media managers, get in front of more people. And the idea with these funnels are that it actually doesn't matter if you're offline or online. The principle is still the same. We want to have the maximum exposure for, in a way, the least amount of effort. So the idea with these funnels is that you kind of set them up in advance and then they just run for you, and you kind of direct your traffic to whatever you think is appropriate for that particular person. But really what we want to do is, the idea is to create a nurture sequence, to create a rapport, to create a engagement process. What's the word? We want to create a connection with people so that they realize that we deliver. They realize that what we do, we say we do, or what we say we do, we do. And that, they can rely on us to get the answer to their problems. So let's go through this. And you guys, if you have questions, then please reach out. You can DM me at Dawn Emma Rose on either Instagram or Facebook, or as an alternative, just book in for a 20-minute consult with me and ask me questions. I'm happy to help you with that. There's a calendar booking just below this, and I've opened up loads of time slots in the last few weeks, so feel free to just book in. All right, let's go over here. So let's talk about funnel number 1, and that is what I call the application funnel. Now, we went over this and I was talking to you basically about how each of these funnels are going to be, the goal of it is going to be to sell them something, right? It's going to be to sell a client something. But if we look at funnel 1, just as it stands, I call this the calendar funnel, the application funnel. And the idea is that, you're giving these people an opportunity to jump on a call with you. So the way it would work really with this funnel would be that they would kind of be exposed to it through socials, maybe through you uploading a video or doing a live stream. You might say, jump on a 20-minute call with me, just like I did just before now. It could be that, just you're putting out some posts on social media and you're saying that if you're interested, jump on a call. So the idea is that they come from, it could be someone that's DM'd you even and are asking you a question. You're like, look, I can't, it's too hard for me to message you back. Jump on a call with me, right? So the idea is the exposure to a calendar booking is to get them onto a call. Now, what you need to decide is with the calendar booking. So there's a few different ways, and it depends on whether you're an offline business or an online business, really. And we'll go through that. But you need to think about, what type of funnel am I building and what is the goal of my funnel? Here's the thing, guys. I want to say that the goal of your funnel is always going to be to eventually down the track to sell your potential clients something, right? To sell them something. If it could be a program, it could be a course, it could be a membership. If you're an offline business, it could be an actual physical service, right? So you got to think about what the goal of my funnel is. So this idea is that the funnel, number 1 funnel, is all about somehow getting them onto a booking, right? It's all about making a booking. So you got to decide, am I just doing a straightforward calendar booking funnel? Am I going to do like some kind of special offer? Like I'm giving them a special offer, but then to take advantage, they have to make a booking, right? Am I doing a giveaway? Again, you give them you do this giveaway funnel where people sort of opt in to receive some kind of freebie, but again, it's about getting them to make a booking with you. Or is it an application funnel where they're having to submit more details before you decide to take them on as a client? So you need to think about those things, and we'll walk through those. So who would this just a calendar, straightforward calendar booking funnel, who would this appeal to? So this is going to work with anyone that's a local service based business. So if you're a hairdresser, makeup artist, right, you own a beauty salon, if you were a pool cleaning service, right, just a normal cleaner, restaurants, gardeners, gym memberships, right? The idea is that, you know, you make a booking and they sign up to whatever it is that you've offered. So it could be that they're just making a booking for you to come and do a clean for them, right? You're making a booking for a restaurant, right? So this is a very straightforward calendar booking funnel. Now, if you're online and you're a coach or a consultant, VA, social media manager, course creator, actually probably not a course creator, because a course creator would come, you know, I would think that most of you that are course creators, you're happy to have people flow through. But really, if you're a coach or consultant, that you kind of have a service that you have online, this is definitely a service-based funnel in a way. Then again, it's just about offering them this to get on a calendar, right, to get on a booking with you. So the goal is always to make an appointment. So what we'll be looking at here, look, is the calendar booking funnel. So there's a couple of different ways that you look at this. So if they get on a calendar, it can either be a calendar, they pay for a service and it's done. So for example, with a local service-based business, like if you're a gardener or if you're a beauty pro, you know, you might want them to make a booking and then they pay. They could either pay through the booking system or they pay obviously when the service is done. If you are if you're a consultant, virtual assistant, social media manager, again, they might make a booking with you and then they'll pay. And then if you are online, however, if you're an online coach, consultant, VA, you might get them onto a call first. Your calendar booking might be, let's jump on a call, let me see if I can help, and then you on sell, right? So it might have that slight difference in the element there with that. Then you've got a special offer funnel, or what I would call a giveaway funnel. Now, these work great for local businesses. Again, you know, this is all about, you know, win this, right? Get access to my, you know, buy one, get one free offers. This is about having that special offer that encourages them to download that special offer, right? But then in order to use it, they have to make a booking, right? So it's always about making an appointment. If you are in if you're using a giveaway rather than a special offer, so special offers, we're actually going to give them something and then they're going to make a booking, they're going to use that special offer, right? Which is great, okay, because it means that we can get them into an appointment with us. If you're doing a giveaway, that could be a good one for list building. So list building, meaning what you're trying to do is find people that are interested in what you're giving away, which could be I don't know, a month worth of free mowing, okay, if you're a local business, let's say, or it could be a month of VA services, right? So they submit their details to opt in for this giveaway, and then, you know, it's like you pull their name out the hat and that bang bang, that's the winner. But the idea is that all those people that just opted in, they're great for being on your email list because they're all interested in having that particular service. So it's not just great for them to make an appointment, become a booking with you. It's also great for list building, for in order to build an email list, because then you can go back to those people and say, hey, you know, I'm sorry that you didn't win, but, you know, I'd like to give you this in exchange for, just to say thank you for opting in, for example. So what would we do? What would we do for the special offer, a giveaway? So for a local service business, like I was saying, here at Gardener, hair and beauty, pool cleaning, etc., this is about a win, right? So you could win free lawn mowing for a month. You could win, you know, 2 free pizzas per week for 4 weeks, right? If you're a pizza shop. 50% off a house clean, right? 2 free lash infills when you book your first appointment. 1 month membership to all gym classes, right? Kids eat free every Tuesday. We've seen these, right? We've seen all of these different things where people can opt in. But guys, you have to get their name and email. This is about them submitting. If you look to your left, you will see on the screen it says submit. They have to submit their details in order to then, you know, be able to book it in. It also works great with you if you're an online coach. So if you're a coach, like I said, social media manager, VA, you know, 1 month of free social media management, 2 free business coaching sessions, that works really well. 15 hours of VA work for free. Again, I absolutely love this. If you're a coach or a social media manager or you're a VA and you're not running promotions like once a month to build your list, you are crazy. You'll see that I'll be running them shortly as well. So it's all about, though, it's all about list building, getting people onto your list. Now, if you're a consultant, it's a bit harder. So if you're going in and you're doing a consult with a company with a view to, I don't know, like rejigging things or helping them with their um, you're not actually going in as a, with an actual product or an actual I guess practical service, and you're more of a consult that where you're going to do sort of an overview of somebody's business, and you're going to tell them this is what you need to do, this is what you need to do, this is what you need to do. You could do something like, we'll consult with you for the next 3 months, but we'll waive a month's fee. It's a little bit harder if you're just a consultant. It's definitely a lot easier as a coach, somebody with an actual physical or virtual service. So an application funnel works where you are an online coach or consultant. So the application funnels, you guys might see, work really well. Obviously, high ticket clients that you want to get, high ticket clients. You might ask people to submit a full application before you'll decide whether you'll work with them or not. The goal is obviously then you're going to review these applications and then decide whether it is that you want to get them into your workshops, into your programs, into your courses, into your memberships, for example. They work very well as a high ticket. But I do believe when you are looking to do high ticket offerings that you need to have probably a little bit of experience behind you, and definitely some testimonials in order to make sure that people know, because if you've just come out of the blue from nowhere, the chances of you getting people to apply in the first place to work with you, let alone then spend thousands of dollars, it's a lot slimmer. I'm not saying it doesn't happen, but you'd be better off to build up some credibility first. Make sure you've got some credibility. If you've come from a corporate background and you're going out alone, obviously it makes it a lot easier. But if you're just starting from scratch and you want to work with high ticket clients, you want to definitely look at building up some credibility before you get people to make an application with you. All right, so that's how this funnel works. So the idea is that we get them onto some kind of a booking with us, right? The idea is to get them onto our calendar in some way, get them onto our booking systems, and we're either going to, give them a call. We might give them a call to confirm it, or we might just give them a call to take their payment, or we may actually just integrate it with a payment system. You can absolutely do that. So what happens is here, I'm going to just kind of run through these email lists here. Anytime anyone opts in for anything, you want to put them onto your general email list. I genuinely believe that everyone just should be building a series, an email list of potential clients. And on that general email list, everyone will go on that. Yes, we might want to tag them with, applied or made a booking or something like that. That's fine. But the general email list really is about talking a little bit more generalized. It's not so much of a selling. It's probably, I would say, a 1 in 10 emails would be a bit of a promo. But the general email list is basically about keeping people engaged, getting people to go over and jump on your Facebook page and follow your videos, opt in for any of your freebies, that kind of stuff. And it's just a general email of kind of getting to know you. Now, the specific follow-up series, so anybody that jumps in, and again, I really want to stress this. It doesn't matter if you are a hairdresser, if you are a beauty salon, if you work a cleaner, if you are a restaurant, you should have a then specific follow-up series for somebody making a booking. Because the idea is that if you haven't signed them up for that main thing that you wanted to sign them up for, let's say they made a booking and you you want them to come in, you know, for their hair appointment, and they've made this booking. But maybe what you actually want to do is you want to upsell them into a full hair package. The idea of the follow-up series is to do that. So if they said yes, obviously, and they've paid for whatever it is that you wanted them to pay for, and they've got onto that program, they've got onto that course, they've decided to buy that package from you, great. You don't have to do anything with those people. They're on your general email list. You know, you can build that rapport with them, and you can sell to them again at a later stage. Awesome. But if they've said no and they're not quite ready to spend that money with you, the idea is that you do an email sequence of about 3 or 4 emails where you kind of warm them up and you get them used to who you are. You talk about what it is they've opted in for, what's going to happen on their booking. And what what are the other things that are available to them? How did you get started in your business? They need to know you, and they need to understand who you are, what you do, and why they should be listening to you. All right, let me come out of this so that you guys can see. All right, guys, so that was funnel 1. That was the walkthrough of funnel 1, and I will be back for funnel 2. See you then.